everyone, it's Allison. Welcome back to Financial Flamingo. Today we are doing my first ever cash stuffing video on my channel. I got my first paycheck of February. I am paid bi-weekly, so today was my first check of the month. So I have my cash that I got out of the bank. I have my breakdown here. This is a split between sinking funds and my cash envelope wallet for my variable expenses. So we're gonna go ahead and count this cash so we can start dividing this up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. $5, $10, $15. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60. I am not doing this in a very organized way. I'm not used to handling this much cash. What did I say? 60, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 3. We have 3. And then we have 2 $100 bills, which gives me $5.82. So we have all our cash here, which is perfect. Matches my little cash breakdown here. So I will move this stuff out of the way and grab my actual cash breakdown worksheet here just to have as a reference. All right, so again, this is a split between sinking funds and my cash wallet. I don't actually have my envelopes for my sinking funds yet, so I will be doing a separate video on setting these binders up and what they are going to be. So for now, I will be separating out the sinking funds money and I will put it with all this other sinking funds money that I pulled out of the bank. I've been keeping it in this bag in my safe until I get those envelopes and, can put it where it needs to go. So let's go ahead and get started here. First up, I am saving for travel. This cash breakdown was just for this paycheck. So these are the things that I take out every single paycheck for my sinking funds. Travel got a little bit more this month, or this paycheck, because we're saving for a trip in the summer. So we are going to pull $240 for that, which is about $200 more than our normal $40. So we will grab these 2 $100 bills, and then I will grab 2 20s. So we have our $240 here. So I will check that one off. Then we have car maintenance, which is $30. So I will grab a 20 and a 10. So we have $30 there. Next is property tax, which I will just grab a nice $20 bill. I save for that throughout the whole year. Vet fund, we have a lot of animals. We have 4 guinea pigs and 3 rabbits, and then 2 cats, or one cat and 1 halfway feral cat that we just feed that kind of just showed up in our yard. But we kind of take care of him. So we save for this all the time. So we will do $40 from this paycheck for the vet fund. And then we also will do $40 for Christmas, which I save for the whole year. So we are starting that fund over pretty much right now since it is February. And then gifts and miscellaneous is for exactly what it sounds like. If we have, somebody has a baby shower or a birthday or any of that kind of stuff, it comes out of here. So we are going to do a 10 and 2 ones. So we have our $12 there. So we have all our sinking funds money here, and I'm just going to put it over in the bag so that I can put it in the sinking funds binder when I get my envelopes. So we're good with our sinking funds. Now we are going to do the rest for my cash wallet. So I think I'm going to keep using this wallet. First, we're going to empty this out. I really like this one. I will link the shop I got this from down below. It is from somebody that is here on YouTube, and I really like it. It's definitely designed for cash envelope budgeting. I also have this Moterm. You can tell I have, a color that I like. And I am debating on whether I want to go back to using this. It kind of just depends on what purse I'm using. So for today's video, we are going to stick with this one. So I'm going to empty this out. So first up, we have Mexican. We go to a Mexican restaurant every Friday, so I budget for that. So we're going to do $100. So we are going to do 20, 40, 60, and then 70, 80, 90, Could you guys even see what I'm doing? So I've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and then we will do 95, 100. So we have a total of $200 in here, and I probably should have done these the other way around. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 95, 100. So let's get this into my envelope here. So we are good to go on that one. Coffee is not getting anything. I actually have a gift card that I put in here, but it's for a local coffee shop, so I don't want to put it in here because I don't need people knowing what town I live in. So I have a gift card that goes in there. Spending is going to get 50, but we're going to go ahead and pull this out. This is what I had left over. So I have 2 20s and a $1 bill. So I actually have a savings challenge that I'm going to be putting this money into. So I'm going to set it aside for the moment, and then we'll do that at the end of this video. So spending is going to get $50. I actually budget $75 for spending, and I leave $25 in the bank in case I want to like buy something on Amazon, and then I keep $50 in my wallet because I tend to use it if it's in the bank and not use it if it's cash. So we're doing 50 here. So I've got 20, 40, 50 in spending, and that's just my spending money. And then I wrote beauty on here, but it is actually for my nails because I will be going in 2-ish weeks to get my nails done. So we're going to put $50 in here. So I'm going to take 2 20s and then a 5. So 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So that accounts for all of the cash that we pulled today. So that is everything in this wallet: self-care, miscellaneous, travel, back to bank, and then I have these cute spending trackers back here. So that is everything that is in my wallet. I'm going to go ahead and get the change out of the back of here. I'm going to get some kind of cup or cash jar or something to keep my leftover change from the week or the paycheck in, but I just haven't found the right thing yet. So if you have any recommendations, let me know. So that is all of my change out of there. So my wallet is good to go for this paycheck. So I have everything ready in there. So I will mark this off. Now we're going to do something with the money that was left. So I have this really cute little savings challenge binder. I found this on Etsy. Again, I'll link it down below. But all of these are really small savings challenges, which I'm excited about because ignore this change because that's not going to be part of this. But so, I mean, you saw I only put $200 in my wallet. At most, I have maybe $300, maybe $400 in there. So if I'm spending money, I'm not going to have like $60 left over, $100 left over, unless I'm just like really not spending money. And honestly, if I know I'm not going to be spending, I probably just won't budget it and I will use it for something else. But when I have extra money left over, like this $41, I want to put it into a savings challenge and then we'll use it for something fun. So I'm going to kind of just look through these and see if I have one that would be good. So here's a 20. This is an $80 savings challenge. I don't think I have any that have ones on them. Oh, here's an $11. What if I did 10, 21? I'm going to do 21 into this one. If I can get it out. So I'll put 21 into this and I'll color in a 10 and an 11. I'm not going to do it right now because I'm waiting on my, you know what, actually, I do have a wet erase marker. We'll see if this works. So I will just color in, oh, it does work, the 10 and the 11. Perfect. Let that dry. Okay, so we've got 21 in here. Put this guy back in here and we will put our cash in here. Awesome. Put that in here. And then let's see if we have somewhere else we can put this 20, just because I think it would be fun. Let's do one that actually has a 20 on it. We'll do it in this $80 one. I don't really have any goals for the savings challenges. I just like thought they would be fun way to motivate myself to save my extra cash. So we'll do this $20 right here. I don't know what I'm going to use this extra money for out of these savings challenges. I don't know if I'm going to like save up and buy something, or if I'll just use them to make extra debt payments or put them in savings. I'm not really sure, but it's kind of the fun of, you know, doing them. I can have a little bit of extra cash saved to do what I want, or if like I want to buy somebody an extra gift or something like that. So we have our savings challenges done. We have our wallet ready to go for the week. So that is everything I have for this video. We have our wallet ready, we have our sinking funds done, we have our savings challenges done. So that is all I have for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I will link anything that was in this video down below if you want to check it out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!